Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Start by preheating your oven to 425 degrees F and preparing about 5 pounds of tomatoes, either Roma or vine ripe. Toss garlic, onion, olive oil, salt, and pepper with tomatoes before roasting. Spread in a single layer on a sheet pan and roast until edges caramelize and juices concentrate 30-35 minutes. Roast 5 pounds, about 1 kg, tomatoes at 425 degrees F for 30-35 minutes. If the tomatoes taste too tart, stir in 1 tablespoon brown sugar. Use 1 tablespoon brown sugar to balance acidity if needed. While tomatoes roast, heat a heavy pot over medium and sauté aromatics for depth of flavor. Sauté 1 medium onion and 2 cloves garlic in 2 tablespoons olive oil until translucent, about 6 minutes. Deglaze with a splash of white wine or 2 tablespoons stock, then add your roasted tomatoes and any pan juices. Add roasted tomatoes, 2 cups chicken stock, 1/2 cup cream, and simmer 15 minutes to marry flavors. Use an immersion blender or blender to puree until smooth, then return to the pot and adjust texture and thickness. To finish, gently warm the pureed soup and enrich it for a silky mouthfeel. Finish with 2 tablespoons butter and 1/4 cup heavy cream for richness. Taste and adjust. Add salt, a touch of sweetness, or acid to balance flavors. Adjust seasoning with salt, 1/2 teaspoons sugar, and 1 tablespoon red wine vinegar to brighten the soup. For texture, swirl in cream, top with basil oil or chopped herbs, and serve with toasted bread. Serve with toasted bread and 2 tablespoons basil oil or chopped basil for garnish and contrast.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.